Hello to all the Web3 enthusiasts out there. This is Max speaking, and welcome to the new exciting episode of Synopsis Talks. Our today's guest is CMO of MonadPump, Alex Prosianyk. Hello, Alex. How are you today?
Hi, Max. Happy to connect with you today. Thanks for inviting. Ready to share some insights, and some alpha from MONAD ecosystem and our Launchpad. So I love you guys.
Sounds awesome. So, looking forward to hearing some alpha. Guys, you heard everything, so getting straight to the action. So, as usually, beginning with some introduction. So, Alex, could you please go ahead and tell us about your personal Web3 journey, what it has been like so far?
Okay, I started some information before Web3 journey. I'm always been in marketing, and but my crypto journey started in 2021. I'm just first time hear from my friends about crypto, about investing, about some Binance, and okay, maybe we can try send maybe some bucks to Bitcoin and waiting for some pump, but it was. End of 2021, the Bitcoins go up and after go very fast down. And I'm okay. So I lost a few bucks, but it's very interesting why it's happening and how I can get on the bear market. And one of my idea was started my own Telegram group, like my crypto journey from zero to 1 million, something like that. It was about NFTs and crypto, some testnet airdrops. It's the era of the a lot of testnet like Arbitrum, Aptos. I'm participated both. And get some first money on NFT on the flipping. And also I created my own collection, but most money I get after sell my Telegram group.
Oh.
Yeah, because it was really nice. I sell my Telegram group for a few thousand of dollars. It was really bigger than my profit from crypto and NFT. Yeah, and after that, I deep into how project communicate with the community, how it works, uh, which activities working okay and what doesn't work, and started working like a marketing manager in some crypto projects, like affiliate marketing partner in a BingX, Bybit, marketing manager in a Dexy protocol, Atleta network, a lot of play to earn projects, NFT projects. Yeah, it was a really nice journey, and right now I'm here like a CMO for main Launchpad on a Monad ecosystem, and yeah, that's my journey.
Wow, sounds awesome. You have a huge portfolio and started not so long ago. You reached a high role in a very promising project. So well done. And there, about your first small losses on Bitcoin, there is a common opinion that it's better to lose something in the beginning than winning from the first time, getting some crazy profits and just losing your mind. And after that, the risk management just usually leaves the chat. So actually, you started good and doing great so far, as we can see. Well, awesome. Thanks for sharing. And let's get closer to the main part, discussing MonadPump and its ecosystem. So the first question is actually, why did MonadPump decide to build a Launchpad? What's the story behind it?
Okay, let's start with a main introduction. The Monad, it's a brand new ecosystem. It's as a new ecosystem and a new blockchain. The projects needs to go up, and this is like Aptos, like Arbitrum, like Starknet, and other new blockchains. The projects very fast grow up because the community waiting for airdrop, community participate in all activities from all the projects, and the MonadPump, it's one of the main projects on Monad ecosystem, and yeah, and we are choosing the Monad ecosystem as well. So recently we announced Okay. The MonadPump, it's not just technical support, but also like marketing, community building, and go-to-market and strategy and advice. We're launch not just easy to use Launchpad. You can find it like mpump.xyz, but also we launched our media alliance. We invite the KOLs, big influencers to our alliance to support our partners. Yeah.
Well,
our team, yeah, I can continue.
sorry.
Our team has already launched projects on Sui, on BNB, on Solana. Our CEO Pavel, it's a very knowledge guy about Rise and Invest, about launching the tokens, about launching the startups in the Web3, and we can help another project get success in this way.
Well, a great intro, and we see that this is the intro made by the CMO, so a very marketing perspective. So awesome, great start. And could you please tell us why did you actually choose Monad over other numerous layer 1 and layer 2 networks? Why exactly this one?
Okay, I have one simple answer. Because right now the Monad raised a lot of money and the community waiting for a huge airdrop, and this means all project who is on Monad get success with the community. Of if you have a success in community and you have a nice go-to-market strategy, you have success in money, you have success in your token, and you have success in all of that way. So the Monad right now, it's for my opinion, of course, it's a best ecosystem for new projects because the community is most activities than Solana, than others, L1, L2 blockchains. The first is the community.
Oh yeah, so sounds reasonable. Nothing to add here. They're a smart move, and I can add from my end that the Monad guys are really crazy. The community is doing so much activity. I also tried to join and this airdrop hunt, but I gave up after like a few weeks of endless testing different products within the ecosystem. But yeah, I'm in some groups still in Telegram, and I can prove that the community is extremely active there. So interesting choice from you. And the next question would be as follows. So since Monad mainnet is still in development, what blockchain networks are MonadPump products are currently available on?
Okay. In this answer, you have a small mistake because we don't need a deploy for another mainnet blockchain, because right now everything work on and run on the Monad testnet. We don't need the Monad testnet. It's available right now for us, for users to make some clicks, trying to connect with some smart contracts. It's enough right now. Okay, this is without like real money, real liquidity. The Mon token only deploy in a testnet, but we can wait for a mainnet, for a TGE. I mean, this is it's my opinion, of course, but it's not a secret that we're waiting for a test mainnet in September or October of 2025. I hope for it. Yes, and right now you can just try us in testnet and be ready to mainnet. We're launched two NFT collections and have thousands of holders. It's a Labubu Monad NFT created by MonadPump and our Monad Pass. This is for our early adopters. For getting more rewards in mainnet. So we don't need right now deploying in a mainnet blockchain. The Monad testnet right now, it's enough for us.
Got it. Thanks for clarifying. And actually, you're not the only ones who are looking forward to getting hands on the mainnet. So could you please tell us who are your main competitors and how do you get ahead of them?
I think in the Monad ecosystem, we don't have competitors. We have partners to grow Monad together, Yes, a few other launchpads in the Monad ecosystem we're in contact with each other. We know each other, but I think we're the one of the biggest Twitter account on Monad after official Monad blockchain account, and we have a lot of KOLs. We have a lot of engagement. This the other launchpad. It's not a huge competitor for us because we're not only Launchpad, we're like your growth support. If you launch the project on a Monad, you need our services, you need our partnership, you need our influence. But other Launchpad, it's more like technical and maybe better in a technical, but I don't know actually. But with us, the project is get more engagement, more community, more friendly, more easy to get inside the Monad founders community or something like that,
Get your approach. So always great to hear when it comes to cooperation instead of competition, and the mutual contribution towards the general success of the ecosystem is great. So yeah, my thumb up for this kind of approach. And yeah, speaking of course about the ecosystem, and since you are the person who is inside of it completely, I would say, could you please share your opinion on what are the most developed parts of the MonadPump ecosystem, and who are your average users?
Okay, so our average users, it's Monad Degans, the guys who are, I don't know, maybe it's a Monad enthusiast, Monad startup enthusiast. Yes, the Monad Degans who you can check in before the hour. Every hour post in the MonadPump Twitters, you can find the MonadPump and other. Well, this is our community. I like the guys because the guys just waiting for a big rewards, for a life change with the Monad, and ready to support the very fast grow up ecosystem, and ready to be in touch with the Monad success. Yeah. Okay. So about our platform. As you can see, we have a really nice platform, really nice community, and a really nice platform because our team, it's really strong guys. Our CTO, technical officer, it's really professional with smart contracts, with crypto backend. We have some team for front end. And they created a really nice, easy to use, friendly UX UI Launchpad. Our CEO, as I told before, are really strong in the management, in launching. And of course, it's marketing. The Monad community know us and trust with us. And
Got it. So in MonadPump, we trust. Yeah, thanks for the very positive image and your positive attitude towards your community. I think everyone, be it enthusiast or Didian, happy to hear that. So guys, it depends on how you position yourself. So there are many genders inside Web3. So you might be anyone. Awesome. And we're moving on. So let's speak about the plan. So you mentioned that you are expecting the mainnet in September or October, so it's already on the fingertips. Let's speak about the plans for the upcoming year. Could you tell us what's on MonadPump's roadmap for 2025, 2026 maybe?
Okay, so yeah, as I told, I believe we can expect the Monad mainnet and token launch in autumn 2025. We don't have official confirmation, yeah, but I see no reason to double it, yeah, And then next year, MonadPump, it will be take off leader position in a launching project on not only for Monad, maybe for another project. any project will launch it without us. Don't will launch without us. We keep a track more KOLs, more influencers, more strong guys in our team. Yeah, of course, you can see us in the main conferences around the world. Like this year, we had been in a Token 2049 in Dubai. And right now, maybe some our partners and some our team members go into Singapore. And we're looking for attract more users from Asia because our core team based in Europe, and we need more support, more ambassadors from Asia, because I mean the Asia is like place of birth of Monad, because main Monad conferences in Hong Kong, in Singapore, and other Asian place, but we're popularizing the Monad here in Europe. So
cool.
stay tuned.
Yeah, I have also my ticket for Singapore for Token, so hopefully we can meet there and discuss what's going on, the news, and your success story. We'll be tracking this and watching how the things are going. And speaking about the trends and things that have impact on the ecosystem, could you please tell us what are the most influential trends actually that affect MonadPump's segment of Web3 market?
Okay, let's speak more about Web3 market, because in 2025, easy to speak about it because mass adoption is here. The Europe, America, Asia, mostly in government support the Web3, and in 2025, 6, 7, and near best years, we can get more new users. More Web2 companies move to Web3. More users from tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 countries go to Web3. And all of them needs to Launchpad, needs to grow success, and needs to nice advice for attracting users, launching tokens, and start building Web3. Yeah, and they also need Launchpads and growth partner like MonadPump. So that's exactly the position MonadPump is right now.
Got it. Thanks. And speaking about mass adoption that you mentioned, I cannot but mention regulation from my end. So could you please share your opinion? What regulations does the Web3 industry lack the most at the moment? Or maybe everything is okay and we're going the right way. So what's your opinion?
From my opinion, right now, it's a regulation in the right way. We're waiting for staking for Ethereum. If we can have staking like ETF on Ethereum with staking. Yeah, this is the main question right now. So if we can get this, we can plan more ETFs with the staking for another project, tokens with another projects. And of course, we're waiting for ETF approval for smallest projects. Like, okay, Solana is already done. Polygon, Polkadot, Monad as well. Yes. So right now we are on the right way. Maybe we needed some faster regulation, but it's right now it's better like a few years ago.
Yeah, so true. So a few years ago, it was impossible to imagine even asking about regulation at this kind of podcast as we do. And now we can like drop it in every single podcast we have, and it doesn't cause panic from our guests. So yeah, of course, if you are satisfied with the current state of things, as I can see, there is no panic. And also like the part that you mentioned, waiting for ETFs for altcoins, for Monad especially. So someone is waiting for testnet, for token, you're already waiting for the ETF. So you're far away ahead of the crowd. And that's pretty cool, I would say. And actually, we came organically to the final part of our podcast. So we have a great image of your ecosystem, what you guys are doing right now. So a few questions personally to you, Alex, if you don't mind. The first one would be about your portfolio. So from your introduction, you mentioned several interesting moves in your investment attempts, in your way of earning money on crypto and with the things associated with it. So could you please tell us what is in your personal crypto portfolio right now, if you don't mind?
Okay, so my portfolio is the most made of the fundamental assets, because I believe in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Because the Solana, I see the power of American investors. And the Solana, okay, the Solana founders from Ukraine, but the Solana based in America, and a lot of American invest only in Solana. Okay, Bitcoin and Solana, or Ethereum and Solana. Yeah, I have a lot of friends from San Francisco, from Web3 community, and they're investing only in Solana. And as a strategic, in my strategic mind, yeah, the Solana will grow up very fast, very soon. Yeah, but mostly this is all of I have in my main portfolio. Sometimes I'm investing in some altcoins, but it's after some patterns or signals, Yeah, but I really like enjoy participate in the IDOs on the Launchpad. Like right now, it's a coin list. Before I invest in, I'm participated in a DAO makers ape terminal. Right now, it's a coin terminal. Yeah, and a lot of IDO platforms. I really like it to buy tokens before the market. And if you do right research, you get more money than if you just invest in some coin.
Yeah. Got it. Thanks for sharing. So you kind of have not a completely, but at least a little bit conservative approach. So you are focused on blue chips instead of just running for crazy diversification. Because I know some guys who are pretty okay with the investments, but when I ask them for their portfolio, there are some dozens of shit coins, meme coins, also mixed with Solana, Bitcoin as well. So everything is there. But I like your approach if asking for my personal opinion. Awesome. And yeah, here we go. Our last traditional question to all our guests. So could you please go ahead and share some piece of advice with our audience? They're addressing to them directly. So anything you have in mind, call to action, advice, once again, financial, non-financial, whatever you find useful, it's your time.
Okay, so my advice is simple. Always do your own research, always. No matter what anyone says, if it's me, your, or CZ, or Arthur Hayes, always every investment with a clear mind, and that's his main advice. Okay, so thanks for joining me. Thanks for inviting me, and I really liked the conversation with you, and I would like to make some maybe giveaway for your community. If your community are running the Monad testnet, we can get 100 Monad testnet tokens for getting some activities. And also we can present for your community 10 NFTs from our collections. Just need to make, I don't know, send the wallet in the comments, follow the MonadPump, and make likes, retweet on whatever you need. But we can present some Monad prizes for you.
Sounds really generous. And for those who is not there much into Monad testnet, I would say that Monad testnet tokens is a very rare drop, I would say, because it's very difficult to get it even from the faucet, and when you get it, it's like 0.001, something like this. So let's discuss, let's think about this. So but in any ways, the call to action to our community would be following MonadPump on X, and I believe there will be something you don't want to miss. Awesome. And stay tuned, guys. Thank you very much, Alex, for joining in. It was really insightful, really positive, what I like the most. And thanks to our audience also for watching till the end. Follow MonadPump. Stay tuned, guys. Do your own research. See you in more episodes. Bye bye, everyone.
Thanks, Max. Jamal, guys. Bye bye.